Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. Today I bring you a 2010 Opel Astra TwinTop. It's the convertible. As you can see, it has the retractable roof, 3 pieces, and you have the OPC BodyKit on this car. It has the side logos, side skirt, front bumper lip. You also have the diffuser in the back, spoiler on the trunk. It's a 1.9 diesel engine with 17 inches rim. This car is keyless go, keyless entry, and you also can remove the top and put it back on directly from the key. In order to do this, you need to have the engine stopped because it's not going to work with the engine on. You have the xenon headlights on this particular model, and as you can see, it has the OPC lip on the front bumper. And let's take this for a spin. You're gonna join me behind the wheel today. Keyless go, keyless entry, like I said. You have a very nice red interior. I really like these seats, honestly. And in the back, you have plenty of space in the back. As you can see, 2 people can sit here very comfortable. Let's take this for a little ride. It has a crack in the windshield. Some stones come from a truck, and that's why the windshield is like this. So we're gonna put the key right here. 1 press, and the second one is going to start the engine. The seat belt is a little bit hard to reach, to be honest. It reminds me of the Mercedes-Benz CLK model, because on that particular model you also have the seat belt in the back. Alright, so let's just take this thing for a little spin. Six manual speed, 4 electric windows, and you also have the autopilot right here. (150 horsepower), like I said, and you also have the sport button. I think this button is stiffened the suspension a little bit. I'm not sure about it, honestly, because this is not my car, but I'm pretty sure that it's going to stiff the suspension. The fuel consumption on this thing, it's about 6 liters on the highway, and in the city I think it's around 8.5-9 liters. It's a very economical car. It doesn't waste too much gas. It's a diesel engine, and for long trips this is very comfortable and very okay when it comes to gas price. I am already in the 6th gear, and as you can see, the RPMs are very low, so that's very good for the fuel consumption. On the interior you have the black piano package, or black piano, I don't know how you want to call it, but as you can see, this color combination, the black with the silver, it looks very, very nice. I drive this car in the summer as well, and I gotta tell you guys, this car in the summer, it looks very, very beautiful with the retractable rooftop. Now, do I recommend this car as a convertible car? Yes, I do recommend it, because the parts for this car are very cheap, and also it's very cheap to maintain it as well. Being an Opel, the parts are not that expensive in comparison with BMW or Mercedes-Benz or Audi. So if you are a young guy between, I don't know, maybe 23, 29, and you want a very cheap convertible car, I do recommend you this model, because it looks very, very nice during the summer, like I said earlier. And another particular model which I recommend, it's the one that compete with this one, that is the Ford Focus, the convertible one. In my opinion, that particular model also looks very nice, but I don't know, because being a Ford, a lot of people complain about parts, so I don't know about this, but I do recommend these two models in case you want a convertible car for the summer. I do recommend you the Ford Focus and this Opel Astra TwinTop. The seats are very comfortable, I gotta tell you guys. It also has this side wings, I don't know how you want to call it, but I call them side wings, so you can sit on the road very, very comfortable on these seats. And they are also heated seats, as you can see. You have heating system right here on the dashboard. So yeah guys, if you like this video, don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye bye.